So here we have two models that I want to share my experience how not to print some parts. Previous video I mentioned that I print this in two parts, the body and the roof. In this case right here, this is a really bad print. I printed this on purpose so that way you can educate yourself. This is not a good print. In the other hand, right here, we have better definition, better finished print. But here's the thing. This was printed in a 0.2 millimeter layer lines, but it was printed flat. So we got this horrible, horrible finish, very bad finish. Same settings on this rooftop, printed at 0.2 millimeter layer lines, but it was oriented this way. So we have better definition, better, cleaner compared to this roof, cleaner results. So we still can get even better finish if we drop the lines, layer lines to 0.16 or 0.12, but that's too far. It's a big area. But I can tell you that 0.12 it's good. See this smooth finished area on this face. It's 0.12 millimeter layer lines. Right here, as you can see, also the model was printed standing, I mean vertical. Uh, this is the end where we applied some ironing. This model did not apply ironing, so the surface is kind of rough. But remember, this was a prototype. This one is still a prototype. It's still a prototype. As you can see here, we have a smooth areas. That's the way the printer works. There's one area that's still kind of rough. It's the reason it's the build plate give us this kind of not so good, but it's not bad. So in order to get this clean finish, see, compare this with this. I don't know if you can see the difference. See the layer lines here, 0.2 millimeters. Layer lines here, 0.16 millimeters layer lines. Obviously takes more time, but it's cleaner finish, a better finish on this model. Like I say, this was a prototyping. After I did a test on this model, then I did the second test. Now we can actually do the settings on this model to achieve this, from these settings on this model to achieve a good finish on this other part. But we are almost ready to go with this one. So as you can see now, I hope you train your eyes. This is not a good print. It was printed on purpose. So you can see this is a very bad finish. I do not recommend you to do this. If you're about to print, make sure you print this way or this way. Okay.